It had its public viewing debut during the last staging of the Manila International Auto Show last April. Immediately following was the public's actual hands-on experience during the Autofocus Summer Multi-Brand Test Drive Festival at the Mall of Asia, counting as one of the models most test-driven during the event. And finally, Suzuki's all-new Dzire gets its closest scrutiny by way of a test drive by the motoring media at the Batangas Racing Circuit. Suzuki Philippines gave top-notch motoring journalists the opportunity to take the all-new Dzire on a 3.7-kilometer racing circuit drive to experience firsthand the latest technology applied on their latest market offering, the Auto Gear Shift, or AGS, a revolutionary first in the Philippines. The AGS technology combines the convenience of automatic transmission and the fuel efficiency of a manual, a best of both worlds scenario. I have with me right now the man behind the present success of Suzuki Philippines, the man behind the unprecedented sales figures that the company is presently registering. He's no other than Mr. Yoshikuro, the Vice President and General Manager of Suzuki Philippines.
Welcome. Thank you for joining with us today.
My pleasure to be here, sir. Actually, we are here to test drive the all-new Dzire. That's the new offering of Suzuki Philippines, which shall be officially launched in a few weeks' time.
Yeah,
I understand,
June
yeah.
27,
June
we
27.
officially launched this vehicle.
Okay.
As you know, we categorize this vehicle B sedan market, B segment sedan market. This market is the biggest in your country, biggest. So there are many customers choose this category, and we already have this vehicle as a name of a Seat. Now we are doing some healthy competition among the brands, and the pricing of Seat is started from now 798,000 peso. But if we look at market more deeply, there are still B sedan market below 798,000. So that is one reason. So we should bring this Dzire to penetrate this market as well. And there's one more reason, which we already have a new technology whose name is AGS. This is manual transmission, but no clutch pedal. So we Suzuki Philippines very much study if we start introducing this technology now, very traffic or fuel pricing also getting high. So to eliminate this kind of a concern, if we bring this technology with Dzire, we expect market kindly appreciate it. So that's the reason we decided to bring a Dzire in your country. This Dzire GL Plus AGS will be 698,000, which will be 100,000 peso difference with our B sedan Seat. So this is our offering to the market. But we also bring manual version. So this price will be 638,000. So we bring two variants. So 638,000 and 698,000. So this is our best offer to the market. Today is just our activity for our media friend, so that our media friend kindly understand our new technology of AGS and feeling our design of Dzire. So we will officially launch this vehicle on June 27, and after that we officially also start selling this vehicle. So kindly visit our official dealership and please try to join test drive. So as I always say, seeing is believing. So please come our dealership and please join the test drive. We also, this 2 times activity per year by Buchi Gamba-san. Autofocus test drive festival at MOA. Even October 2018, we willing to join or participate this activity, and we also bring our new Dzire with AGS technology. So customer also kindly experience of this new technology. So please visit Autofocus test drive activity as well. Thank you so much.